1, 2. Dito, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2. Okay.
Isa lang ha. Thank you.
Oo nga. Dito. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sky.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. Hi guys.
Happy birthday.
Sure.
Hello! Hi! Pwede ba mag-picture lahat ng pansada?
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.
Watch her concert last year.
Alright, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
Two concerts.
Thank you again.
San Jose and San Diego.
Oh, yeah.
Really nice for everyone to sit down for sa ayos.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you po. Okay, thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you po.
I'm gonna climb tomorrow like a baby. Thank you so much.
Magaling siya. Sabay hi. Say hi to my friends.
He makes me cry. You never age. Nakisang ka na naman. Ganyan ka pa rin.
Kailan po? Saan?
2004.
2004, yes.
Big stock ng book.
Wow. Wow, thank you.
Big pasay.
Yay! Salamat! Thank you po. Thank you. Ay, sige po.
27.
Thank you. Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Sure.
Last day and a half. Okay, first of all, sit na.
Thank you so much.
So happy.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Last na po, sit na.
Thank you.
Ayan, sige po.
Selfie, selfie.
Last one na.
Alright. Sige po, last na po. Okay, 1, 2.
Cute ni baby. Thank you.
Pwede pa bang bigyan yung
Oh, go, 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 the baby. Here, baby. Akan na lang, akan na lang. One, two. One more, 1, 2. Thank you. Thank you. Sila tita. Friends yan. Ikaw tito, ako na. Picturean ko kayo.
Sumali ka.
Ha? Picturean ko lang kayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2.
selfie din kasi. Selfie tayo sa mga. Okay.
Tita, thank you ah. Tita. Tomorrow? See you tomorrow.
Pambiling ice cream.
Pambili ice cream. Sige, mamaya. Sige po. Galing pa ka.
Galing LA pa to. Oh, next na.
Sige lang.
Galing LA pa yan. Baka na naman ako.
Maraming kalaban bukas. Thank you.
Galing.
Okay, thank you. See ya. Salamat kuya. Thank you. Espo. Ako na lang mag-photo. Ako na lang po. Sila mo ng dalawa. Dito. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Wait lang. 1, 2.
Sila.
Dito, okay. 1, 2. Wait lang po ah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Kaya lahat. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Thank you pa. Hey, pa-picture ko.
Kunin ko lang yung gift mo kay Eric.
Sige. Go lang. Paya ka. Thank you.
Bye guys. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.
I'll be part of the show tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sure.
Eric, I know all your songs!
Thank you. Talaga? Salamat.
Fan ka nito.
Thank you.
Thank you, Eric.
Hurry up!
Gusto mo picture? Picture ko rin.
Picture mo! Okay, hindi niya nagsawa.
Selfie na lang.
Nandito ka naman stay. Pwede pa iwan mo yung ano ko? Yung mabusan na niya.
Thank you po.
Tapos na ang aming meet and greet for tonight.
May kinukuha lang.
Uy, thank you! Uy, dami namang gifts. Thank you, guys. So, kain. Saan tayo kakain? Kakakumain natin.
Ano kakainin mo?
Say hi to our promoter. Naka-live ako. Happy Taana.
Say hi mga darling. Mga darling. Our fabulous Tita Ana.
Yes, our fabulous Tita Ana.
And the fabulous Jenny.
Kain na tayo. Okay, bye. Okay po, thank you. Hi, hello. Uy, ang sarap, may turon. Ano to? Karyoka ba?
Ito, yung...
Yeah, karyoka. Tama ba?
Yan, parang rice. Ano ba yun?
Yeah, that's it.
Turon, yan. Ito to.
Yun, sarap. So guys, kakain muna kami. Subukan ko mag-live again tomorrow.
Let's eat.
Ayun. This is 10. Kumain na.
Nakakain na siya. Thank you po.
Nakakain na.
Tapos na siya kumain.
Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll try to Kumain na kayo.
Meron akong dalang binigay na sa akin ng doktor.
Ano po?
After you eat, you just chew it. Gazi ka ba?
Bye guys! See you tomorrow!